Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe if you love essential oils and natural living. That's what I share weekly. In this video, I'm sharing a comparison, which I haven't done in a while. I have a whole list. I'll try to tag it here down below. A whole collection of videos that I compare Young Living or just various essential oil companies to each other to do pros and cons, history, pricing, and things like that. So in this video, I am comparing Young Living to Jade Bloom. I don't have any of the same oils. I only have two essential oils from Jade Bloom, so I'm not comparing them like apples to apples or whatever you want to say. I just wanted to share like the different package or bottles and labels. This is Young Living. This is how they package and bottle and whatever. This is what their oils look like. And then this is Jade Bloom. So they have green bottles, which I think are cool, and then their labels are kind of translucent so you can see the oil inside. With that though, I feel like the sun, if this is in direct sunlight, this is going to get more sun than these like amber darker color bottles, so just be aware of that. You want to make sure you're keeping your bottles of oil out of sunlight and making sure the lids are screwed on tight so that they're not becoming oxidized, just meaning like air is getting in there and messing up the quality. Side note, I don't know what I was going to say, fun fact and side note, if you notice that your oil is oxidized, it smells a little different, don't use it topically, but you can always use them in cleaning supplies, so just add them to your like spray cleaner or whatever, if you don't want to throw them away. Okay, so first I'll talk about the history. Sorry, I have this hair that keeps like finding its way back to my mouth. Okay, I'll talk about the history. What else do I have? Quality, testing, pros and cons, kind of my opinion through it all, and I'll put links and stuff down below too. There's always a blog post that goes with my videos, so I'll link that down below. Okay, so the history. Young Living was founded in 1993 by Gary Young. And we all know that it is one of the most popular, well-known essential oil companies. So it's a huge company, but it's been around for a really long time. I do think that they have the science of distilling essential oils down, and I think their quality is amazing. So they also have a seed to seal promise, which we all probably have heard of too, and that is their promise to us that from the seed, quality of the seed, to when they label and package and give you your oil, everything is done at the best standards. Now, they don't share their testing results, so you just kind of have to take their word for it, or visit their farms and see how things go down. That's always an option too, which I do like. But know that that's not accessible to everyone. We can't just fly out to Utah or wherever and check out their farm. So I do appreciate that Jade Bloom does have their testing. They are a smaller company. They've been around since 2014, so I feel like that's a good amount of time. They're not brand new, and it's a husband-wife team. They're all about education, and I do like that it is a smaller company. They third-party test their oils as well, and they're really into the quality, like from planting, where they're getting their oils from, or their plants from, the distillation process. They're very, very into it. They have an education, like a university, which I just finished my associate's degree on their website, but they are very legit when it comes to having high quality oils as well. Okay, so the quality next, they both, like I just kind of went over, they source their plants from a very good place. It all matters, right? So your seed, how the plant is grown, when it is harvested, how it is then taken to the distillery, how it's distilled, the pressure, the time. There are so many little details that go into making an essential oil, and I think that both companies know what to do and do it well. What did I have? The seed to seal promise, Young Living, that's their promise of being the highest quality. Jade Bloom also is committed to producing high quality oils and uses third-party testing. Young Living tests like a lot. I think they test themselves and third-party just to make sure that they're getting what batch of oils they want, like which the measure of constituents in that. 90-day money-back guarantee Jade Bloom does have. I don't know why I said that backwards. Jade Bloom does have a 90-day money-back guarantee. So it's kind of like at this point, we've gone over quality. So we know that they're both really high-quality essential oil brands. So at this point, it's kind of cannot speak today. It is a personal preference on, do you like a smaller company? Do you like where you can go on and do that university program where you can go up to tiers and get points and free oils, and learn, like genuinely learn about how oils are made and what the quality is and what an essential oil is? Or do you like the other business model, or like the huge company where you have a bunch of different people you can go and ask? I do think that they have okay customer service. I've had bad and good. I am a customer still, so it's just one of those things. It's like a personal preference of what you value in a company, because you know that from both companies you're going to get a good quality essential oil that is going to work. Therapeutic is a word that just gets thrown around. It means nothing, honestly. The FDA does not regulate. Essential oils are not regulated, and so Young Living does say they're therapeutic grade, but I just wanted to point that out, that really does not mean anything. Anyone can say that. There aren't different qualities of essential oils. Okay, testing, they both test. So the gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, mouthful, GCMS testing is going to ensure that the oils that you're getting are 100% what they say they are. They're not adulterated. The constituents are in the right percentages so that the therapeutic properties are going to do what they're supposed to do. The testing is great. That is not the only thing to take into consideration though, and kind of just the things that I went over, like does the company care about where they're getting their plants? That all matters too. The tests do solidify, like, okay, this oil I'm getting is what it should be, but really think about those other things too. With that being said, they both do the GCMS testing, where one company lets you see the test results and one doesn't. Next, I'll just go over some pros and cons, and I don't want this video to be super long. I just want to leave room for like conversation in the comments, but pros and cons. So Young Living has been around for a really long time. I respect that. I really do appreciate that, and companies like Revive is like a new company still. So just in the back of my head, I'm like, this is a new company. It kind of, I don't know, it matters to me. While Young Living does have exceptionally great quality essential oils, they are very expensive, and they are part of, or they are an MLM, multi-level marketing business model. So you sign up under someone and then they want you to sign people up, and that's how it goes. And that's what the majority of people say, that's why they're expensive, is because you're paying for your upline. I don't know, guys. I think their quality is just great, and they're like, here's what the price is. We have the best quality oils. Here is the price. I don't know. So take that as you want, but they're just overpriced in my opinion, and I think you can get the same quality essential oils from Jade Bloom and other companies. So that's a big thing for me. That was what, like, in the top 3 of why I kind of phased out of Young Living. Really the only product that I use from them currently still is the Thieves household cleaner, and then Progessence Plus, which I do also get from Revive too. So even that I'm kind of like phasing out. Pros and cons for Jade Bloom is their prices are really good. They have a focus on sustainability and ethical sourcing, and it's a smaller company, so I just personally like supporting smaller companies, and I think their values are really good. The range of essential oils might not be as vast as Young Living, but I do think at this point, at the end of the day, if I had to choose one or the other, I would choose Jade Bloom, just because they're really into the education portion, and they have a range of other products too. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop when you're thinking like natural living and DIY types of things. I got the lotion base from them. They have carriers. So okay, I think that's it. I didn't want this again to be super long, so let me know, have you used Jade Bloom? Have you used Young Living, or both? What are your opinions on each brand? Which one do you prefer? Do you like these videos? Which company do you want me to compare Young Living to next? I think that's it. I'll put links and all the stuff down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.